Welcome to the NorthOps Fire Weather Webcast for Tuesday, June 24, 2025. Thunderstorms impacted the greater Lake Tahoe area yesterday and produced nearly 90 downstrikes. Precipitation amounts were mixed with wetting rain found within the main rain cores. The most recent water vapor loop from GOES 17 shows broad troughing over the area, with a low pressure center found just to the east. Ridging and a weak jet feature is found over the North Pacific. Visible imagery this morning reveals a healthy marine layer stratus intrusion across the near coastal areas, otherwise clear skies exist. Most of the low clouds should be eroded by late morning, with cumulus buildups likely over the northern and eastern mountains, providing partial shading during the afternoon. A weak troughing influence today and will get replaced by weaker Pacific jet and embedded disturbances Wednesday and Thursday. Ridging is expected to take over Friday through Monday with a developing offshore low. The eventual position of the offshore low will be crucial in determining lightning potential in the coming days, so we'll be monitoring the day-to-day model runs closely. Mixed high temperature anomalies are expected through Thursday, although most of the readings will be above normal. A warmer signal is showing up for Friday through Monday, with the thunderstorm impacts a wild card late in the forecast period. Some moderate buildups, producing at the very least light showers, will be possible across the greater Lake Tahoe area and portions of Siskiyou County today, with a minimal lightning chance near Lake Tahoe. Following today, dry conditions are expected until the weekend or early next week, or when the instability builds. Model guidance found in this slide suggests some possibilities over the northern and eastern mountains Sunday afternoon. Steering flow during the weekend period would likely be weak, therefore storms would likely produce a mix of wet and dry. The dry air mass will remain in place across most of the interior today, with upper single digits, teens, and 20s and 30s. Breezy onshore winds will be found across the greater Bay Area during the late afternoon to early evening hours. These forecast images are valid at 1700 today. Due to the influence of the Pacific jet, onshore breeziness should increase in areas on Wednesday. The atmosphere will remain dry across the interior, with marine influences across the near coastal areas. These forecast images are valid at 1700 Wednesday. A fairly similar air mass is expected on Thursday compared to Wednesday, with just minor changes overall. This means areas of breeziness will continue, with low humidity found away from the immediate coastal influences. These forecast images are valid at 1700 Thursday. A typical summertime wind and humidity pattern is likely for Friday through Monday, which includes breeziness in areas and low humidity across the interior, although thunderstorm outflows and downdrafts will be the wild card. These forecast images are valid for Friday. The 7-day significant fire potential product shows primarily low risk due to the unseasonably dry dead fuels across most of the area and some periods of breeziness. Shrub fuels continue to cure across the low and some mid-elevations and are becoming more available to contribute to fire spread. There are no strong atmospheric signals until late in the forecast period due to lightning and outflow potential, although fire danger will increase some Wednesday and Thursday. In summary, pretty typical summertime pattern expected during the next several days, with some extra breeziness likely Wednesday and Thursday, and some building heat late week into the weekend. Some buildups expected today across the greater Lake Tahoe area and portions of Siskiyou County. Otherwise, the stronger instability signal shows up during the weekend and early next week.